Hello. So far, Jordan has been extremely windy. Amman or Petra as well. I'll give you a tour of the hostel later on. For now, I'm gonna go to eat. It's quite late. Have a late lunch. The restaurant over here is called My Mom's Recipe Restaurant. It's highly rated. It's right at the city center. I mean, the city is pretty small. It's not a city, it's just a town. Surrounding the Petra Museum and the Petra excavation site, whatever you want to call it. I hope that you have liked the video from this morning where I gave you a tour of Petra. I showed you the treasury and everything around there. If you haven't seen that already, check the link in the description box below. And for now, let's go to eat. The restaurant's right over here. It's in front of the Movenpick Hotel. The Movenpick Hotel is, I guess, the best hotel over here. Let's see if they have something to eat right now. Hi. Okay, I'll check out later on. Thank you. So, people are pretty friendly over here with tourists, of course. Now I have to see if it's open. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Is it open?
Yes, upstairs.
It's upstairs? Okay, thank you. I bet that the views are gonna be great as well. So I've ordered a MAQLOOBA, some tea, and a plate of Arabic salad. The name MAQLOOBA basically means upside down. It's basically a rice dish served with meat and fried vegetable, and the entire dish is served upside down. It's really popular in Palestine, Lebanon, Jordan, and across the Middle East. Like every restaurant in the Middle East, they've given some Middle Eastern bread, some thyme, and some olive oil. So what you do is you break a bit of the bread. It's really hot and freshly made. You dip it in some olive oil, then put in some thyme. Thank you. And you have bread soaked in olive oil with thyme. Tastes delicious. They just brought in the Arabic salad. Arabic salad basically has cucumber, tomatoes, lime, some lettuce. Really fresh. The vegetable dose of the day. They've got nice traditional music on. Thank you. That's the MAQLOOBA?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Thank you. This is what the MAQLOOBA looks like. To be honest, it looks kind of like a biryani to me. There's some potatoes. Yeah. There are shreds of eggplant. More potatoes. That's a cauliflower. And here you have a chicken which is perfectly grilled. Here. Looks pretty nice, and they've given a yogurt sauce. First taste of the MAQLOOBA. Flavor's really nice. Even though it looks like a biryani, tastes nothing like it. It's not that spicy, but the rice is extremely flavorful. Now it's time to dive in for the chicken, and I'm gonna use my hands. This is actually a Bedouin decor. How long are you open?
Yes.
How long are you open at night?
Yes.
Till when?
Yes, okay.
at night?
Yes. You want to give you here?
No, I'm somewhere over here itself. No, at night, how long are you open? When does it close?
Yes, we open.
Okay. Thank you. So, bit of a language barrier over there, but the food was really nice. Completely Bedouin style. Tomorrow at the Wadi Rum camp, I expect something similar, because I guess it's the Bedouins who live at the Rum. Is this the Kunnefeh?
Kunnefeh.
Oh, okay.
Kunnefeh crema, Kunnefeh cheese.
Oh, okay. So this is my mom's recipe Arabic sweets shop, just on the ground floor of the restaurant.
Is Simsim? Simsim?
Yeah. Why not? So this one is the Kunnefeh with cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, and that one?
Cheese.
Oh, it's okay. Nice. This is the sugar syrup. So this is the Kunnefeh with cheese. Looks really nice. बहुत अच्छा था मुना कुनाफे हाँ आप बहुत दिन से यहाँ पे
7 साल हो गया
7 साल अच्छा ये आप ही क्या है
मेरा नहीं है मैं यहाँ पे काम
आप काम करते हैं थैंक यू So that was a really nice meal. Loved the MAQLOOBA and did not expect to have Arabic sweets after the meal. I was thinking of having baklava somewhere, but I didn't think that there would be a sweet shop just downstairs. In fact, it's the same owner's sweet shop. I probably didn't see it. I was so hungry in the beginning. Yeah, I'm glad I had kunnefeh over there. The cheese kunnefeh with the sugar syrup was amazing, and the person working over there is actually from Yemen, and the person said that they had to come out of Yemen because, you know, the situation over there, and it's been 7 years that the person is working over here, and since they get so many tourists from different countries, they need to speak various languages, and she spoke perfect Hindi with me, which was really nice. Everything about the city revolves around Indiana Jones. Right now, it's time to chill at the hostel. I'll leave the link to my hostel in the description box below in case you want to book it. It's really nice for the price. It's far better than most of the other hostels I've stayed in the last couple of months. And the location is bang on in the center. So down there you have the Movenpick just in front of the visitor center, and right in the next street up front here you can see Petra Cabin Hostel. That's where I'm staying. I know it doesn't look the fanciest from the outside, but if there's one example of don't judge a book by its cover, then it's this hostel. You'll know what I mean very soon. So, doesn't look that nice from the outside. In fact, the entrance is a bit shabby as well. Here you have the same cat that was following me. Anyways, so you climb up the stairs After climbing around 3 stories, this is basically the door. Still looks pretty weird, right? But now, check this out. Hello. A world of difference, right? They've got nice clean washrooms. This is what the cabin looks like. It's a personal cabin. Not that bad, right? So you can just close your door and it becomes like a capsule. Tomorrow the bus that will take me to Wadi Rum from Petra is gonna come near the hotel at 6 a.m. in the morning, and it takes about 2 hours to reach Wadi Rum. So it's gonna take us first to the Wadi Rum Visitors Center, where I'll show my Jordan pass and gain entrance.